Morning everybody. That's early, nice and cool, nice frost. Right, I'm down at NEC Friday. I've mentioned it on a few videos before, but I thought I'd better do a video so everybody knows, and then I'll list it in title as it's my visit to NEC, which is 21st, so if any of you do want to see me or whatever, I mean, I want to go around a few at stands. I want to see everything because I need some bits for various cars in here, so I've got to get round everybody. I'll be having a good full day down there, so if you've got a club stand and you restore them and you want me to come have a look, I might do a video, so just give us a shout. And well, if you just want to chat, give us a shout. I mean, this is my details, as I'm sure you're all aware, so I'm sure you can all pick that up. So that's what you need to, just drop me a text or drop me an email, because obviously I'll have my phone with me. So, oh well, beforehand if you want, it's not a problem. So, well, luckily I'll see you down there and have a chat with you if you want to have a chat with me, and just say hi if you see me walk past. I'm a relatively friendly guy, so. But thought I'd better do this video so people know and know exactly what it's on about. It'll be a bit short, but I'll chuck in a bit of a bonus in and all, because I've done the choke now. I've got the bits for the Reliant, so I don't know if I don't know when I'm going to get a chance to put it on. I may get a chance today because I've been on this Jensen's bonnet blocking arm. To be honest, it's knocked hell out of my chest, like, so I'll probably have a breather. But if you look here now, it's had all new springs in choke and everything's operating exactly as it should. Fast idle's working correct. Everything's doing what it should. So fingers crossed that probably resolved problem. But that'll be a follow-up video anyway. But just a bit of something else, so take care anybody. Anyway, I mean, give us a like video. It's only a quick short thing telling you what I'm doing Friday, where I'm going, hopefully to see quite a few here if you're about, if you want to see me. And pass a comment and, well, subscribe to the channel if you want to see a bit more. I mean, you might even see me down there, you might end up on the next video. So take care everybody, and bye for now.